Samsung Galaxy Z47 is starting to take shape while its official launch is still a few weeks away, expected in July. Leaks have already given us a glimpse of what's in store. Samsung might finally be making its foldables slimmer, potentially achieving this by adopting a wider design. In this article, we cover everything known about the Galaxy Z47 so far. As development progresses, more details will surface and we'll keep this page updated with the latest information. The most recent update was on June 17, 2025. The Galaxy Z47 looks set for a major design overhaul. The first set of leaked renders confirmed rumors of a thinner and wider profile. When we say thinner, we mean it. Early rumors suggested the upcoming Samsung Foldable would be just 4.5mm thick when unfolded and 9.5mm when folded. To recall, the Galaxy Z46 measures 5.6mm unfolded and 12.1mm folded. That's a dramatic reduction in thickness in just one generation. But wait until you hear the latest figures. New insider reports suggest the Galaxy Z47 will have a total folded thickness of just 8.9mm, while Samsung even tested a prototype with a total thickness of 8.2mm, but that seemingly didn't materialize. Nonetheless, at 8.9mm, the Fold 7 incredibly slim. Notably, it measures only 3.9mm when unfolded, excluding the rubber bumpers around the display. The total unfolded thickness with those bumpers is 4.5mm, which is what the original leak said. Based on leaks, the Galaxy Z47 has a dimension of 158.4 by 143.1 by 3.9mm. In comparison, the Fold 6 measures 153.5 by 132.6 by 5.6mm. As you can see, the new Fold is taller and wider than its predecessor, allowing Samsung to equip it with larger screens on the inside and outside. This should also help it retain a large battery despite a massive reduction in thickness. The images below compare the Fold 7 and Fold 6's right shape in size. It isn't difficult to imagine that the Galaxy Z47's redesign required Samsung to come up with a new hinge design too. The company had to develop a thinner hinge without compromising on durability. Early leaks say the upcoming Fold's reworked hinge enhances structural integrity while improving long-term reliability. Samsung has incorporated new dust protective brushes along the hinge to block dust and debris from entering the phone. The device may also feature a titanium black plate for a slimmer and lighter design without compromising on its strength. It's unclear if the Korean giant developed a new hinge mechanism or made the existing hinge thinner with structural changes. It has consistently improved the foldable hinge to reduce display creases and improve reliability for a smoother folding experience. The Galaxy Z47 should bring notably improvements in all areas, including the display crease. The annoying line in the middle of the screen is almost gone, reports suggest. A bigger profile means the new foldable will feature an expensive cooling system as well, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back and an armor aluminum side frame for a strong and durable build within a super slim form factor. With a thickness of just about 4mm, when unfolded, durability remains a concern. Samsung must have paid close attention to ensure the Galaxy Z47 withstands bends. The Galaxy Z47 is likely to sport a 8-inch or 8.2-inch main folding display. It should be the same dynamic AMOLED panel found on other flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Expect a peak brightness of around 2600 nits or more alongside the revolutionary anti-reflective properties. Samsung doesn't offer this groundbreaking technology on many phones, keeping it exclusive to select top models. It drastically reduces the screen glare when using phones outdoors. Well, Samsung is still testing this feature for foldables. We are unsure if the Galaxy Z47 will get it. If it does, this will be another notable upgrade over the Fold 6. Things should get clearer closer to official launch. There are still many other displays upgrades in the pipeline beyond an almost non-existent crease. The Galaxy Z47 will elegantly get a more powerful, efficient display panel, potentially improving the battery life. It may not be a massive improvement, but it's still something to note. The Galaxy Z47 may also feature the Pro Scalar display technology Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. It enhances the image quality for more refined visuals on the screen, allowing for an immersive viewing experience. This tech requires a QHD Plus display resolution, so that's something to keep in mind. The new Fold is for an industry-leading display experience. Despite a super slim profile, the Galaxy Z47 should retain S Pen support. While it is impossible for Samsung to build the stylus into the device, it may have reworked how it works. The company may have removed the digitizer. The upcoming foldable may feature a new technology to read S Pen input. It would be the first Samsung device to deploy this tech. The Galaxy Z47 is shaping up to be the foldable of dreams. In many ways, it is slim, has a bigger and wider screen and reduces the screen crease. But that's not all. The upcoming Samsung Fold also excels in the camera department. The device is expected to sport the same camera setup as the Galaxy Z Fold SE, a limited edition foldable Samsung launched in Korea and China last year. More precisely, we are looking at a 200 megapixel primary shooter, the same one found on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This 1x1.3-inch sensor has an f1.7 aperture and features 0.6 ultra megapixels, offering OIS and multi-directional PDAF support. The S25 Ultra's primary camera produces excellent images and videos, and the Fold 7 should match it, if not go one better. Samsung is still refining the camera performance of its latest flagship, and One UI 8 could improve things further. The Galaxy Z47's main camera should be paired with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10 megapixel 3x zoom camera, or maybe Samsung will offer the new 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera introduced on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Nothing is set in stone yet. That said, we don't expect a 5x zoom solution here. The Fold 7 is unlikely to feature more than 3 cameras at the back. Snapdragon 8 Elite's ISP improvements and advanced camera algorithms should ensure top-notch image quality. The Galaxy Z47 is rumored to feature a new AI-powered Pro Visual engine with several notable improvements. It is touted to deliver sharper, more vibrant image output, improved digital zoom quality, and enhanced video stabilization. Samsung says the Galaxy Z47's camera will be smarter thanks to deeper AI integration. The latest report about the Galaxy Z47 is that Samsung has begun mass production of key components. This comes right on the heels of reports that the company will unveil the new foldable in early July. The launch event, which the Korean firm calls Galaxy Unpacked, could take place in New York, USA. If we are to guess, Samsung might hold the event on July 9. The company has already started gathering regulatory approval for the new foldables, with leaks showing promo banners. The Galaxy Z47 is expected to come in 4 colors: Silver Shadow, Blue Shadow, Jet Black, and Coral Red. These are the standard options available. Globally, Samsung may offer a few additional shades exclusively through its online store. Coming to its price, Samsung is rumored to keep its foldable prices unchanged this year. If true, the Galaxy Z47 should start at $1,900 in the US. Of course, that's not cheap, but the company likely is in no position to lower the price, more so after the recent US tariffs. Well, Samsung did increase its foldable prices by $100 last year, so it makes sense for the Korean firm to keep those unchanged this year. There are some rumors of a price hike in select markets though.